Now there's white and blue. And it just turned. It came out and turned right over that big house right there, right in front of me. It came from the left and turned. It has a blue belly. It's a white plane. So he's gonna fly in a straight line right now, even though he just did a 90-degree turn to get out here. So it's gonna be a partial cover-up for the 405 freeway plane crash on June 30th. And also possibly a civilian cover-up and a sound cover-up. And look how low that massive jumbo jet is coming over my head. Blue tips on the wings, blue bottom, white Cessna, half the size of my house. Look at this. Oh, that was a ball hitch. Look at this jet going half a mile per hour over my head. Look how big it is. It has an upward tilt on it because it has to stall out.
See if I could copy, making a spectacle. Do you think we can't hear you? Do you?